All right, good morning, everybody. Made it to a Thursday, favorite day to trade. Thursdays are always my favorites. Always seems like we have plenty of opportunity, a lot of volatility. All right, so the only thing I've taken so far this morning was I did get out of my JDST carryover from last night and or from yesterday. Also traded a little bit of root, ROOT. That's on also on my watch list. ROOT. All right, doing a quick scan here, see if there's anything else that is setting up.
JDST. DUST.
All right, I'm gonna take another look at JDST. I'll watch this OCEA. Yeah, I'm getting an HF1 buy in this JDST. I do lot. I'll tell you what, I'm gonna jump back into this JDST. Okay, back in the JDST. Okay, a couple targets here, 730. All right, 733, couple levels. And 40, 41. All right.
JDST.
Three levels on JDST, long JDST again. Jump back in the JDST at 725, 725. Yes, you did. JDST, sir. You did hear that. Good job, John. You ready to hit your daily goal?
SCO.
All right, so we've got JDST on. PIXY. It's on my radar. SCO, a little pricey. I like the charts on SCO, but a little pricey. All right, watching LCFY. I kind of like LCFY, a little pricey. I could see it going up to, well, it's already taken off. And big spread on LCFY. I don't like that spread. All right, ROIV. Continue to watch that. I may end up taking that off of my scan. Let's see. Already was in ROOT. I don't see any opportunities to jump back in.
Target hit.
It's like gold already hit its target. Gold was a short. Look at gold again. Unfortunately, gold was a nice little short, but I didn't have the opportunity to get in. So just my short on my gold. My gold is done. Mini Russell. Not seeing anything on the mini Russell. Mini S&P 500. Don't see anything there. Both coming down. Mini NASDAQ. Not seeing anything there. That is coming down. Natural gas. It's going up. And the last one that I follow was crude. Crude is going down. Nothing on crude.
DUST.
I like the chart on DUST volume very thin.
MRKR.
3 cent spread on DUST. Gonna hang tight on DUST, may come back and revisit that a little bit later on this morning. Let's see, MBOT. MBOT doesn't look too bad. I could get that spread tightened up a little bit. We're looking at about a 9 cent spread, so I'm gonna wait on MBOT. AAOI. AAOI. Maybe some potential. Let's keep an eye on AAOI. I'm gonna take a look of it. AAOI can come up to about 480. I'll take a look at this. $480. All right, we're gonna watch 480 on AAOI. ROIB. It's coming down. I'll keep that on the radar. TALS. I'm just going over some of the stocks on my watch list this morning. For those in Oracle, I'm sorry, for those in Discord, you can find all of that under the watch list tab. Watch list channel. I did post this morning. I have the overnight trades. I could see we do have some longer term HF1 set up on TALS. I could see TALS coming up to let's see here. I can see it coming to 309. 309 on TALS. Right. All right. The only thing I have on right now is JDST. I'm long JDST. Still in at 724. I think it may be one of those. And once again, JDST is a slow mover, so it's not unusual for it to take its time. But I do think we have a good possible probability of getting up to, let's see, at least 733 today. So anyway, I did take a profit from last night. I re-entered. Take another look at root. Already out of root. That PIXY is on the radar, but 11 million already in volume. Good spread. I just don't see a buying opportunity yet in that. I don't have any pattern setting up, so I'm going to stay away from that for right now. Man, I just don't have a whole lot, just JDST. Let's look at MGOL. That's kind of mixed. I don't like MGOL. And DUST again. Definitely tightening up on the spread on this DUST. I'm going to take a really light position on DUST. So I'm buying some DUST. All right, get it up to 53. $58. $51. All right, I have 3 levels over here on DUST. Very light position on DUST. Need to break through this. Let's get through 45, then maybe work our way up to, let's see where we are right now. We're at 45, 47. Yeah, we can get through this 51. We could really take off. Highest target is 62. So if we can get above 62, a lot of times you hit that third target, we can run. So we'll see what happens there. All right, pretty quiet so far this morning. Thank you, John. I appreciate it, and I'm glad you're having success with the patterns and the setups. Oh, all right, RNAZ. Not seeing anything on RNAZ. Nothing on FNZR. Let's look at APE. I like the volume on APE. Good spread. And he's got a ton of cells up there around 98. All right, I'm gonna wait on that. IVDA. I don't like IVDA. Another one that's popping up is SOUN. Oh, I like SOUN. Have some HF1s on this. Yeah, I'm going to take a little bit SOUN as well. All right, buying a little bit of SOUN in here. I like SOUN. Some targets up here, 404.
SCR.
All of these are potential runners, so I like it. 404. And at 95 on SOUN.
DUST.
Five, 10. I heard DUST. Let's take a look again at DUST. Yeah, I think DUST is gonna get up to. Have a little bit of DUST on. I'd like to see it go through that 61. Let's get it through 61 up here. Let's see if we can't get a run on DUST. All right, so
DUST.
looking at root one more time. I don't see any reentries. All right. DUST.
JDST.
All right, there goes my JDST. Get JDST above 71.
DUST. JDST.
Now let's see what happens here.
LABD.
JDST is the one that's running, watching JDST.
RWN. HIBS.
Still on DUST. Still on SOUN.
LABD. RWN. LABD.
LABD looks good. Not ready to get into it yet, but I like it. I think it's going to come up to at least $12.99, $13.
SCO. LABD. FAZ. FAZ. SCO. HIBS. RWN.
Wow, HIBS. I haven't heard that one in a while. HIBS.
SCO. FAZ.
Yes. All right. Let's see. Still on DUST.
FAZ. DIP. 10.
The UST did hit,
LCF1.
did hit the first level.
DES.
Waiting for another pop on DUST. JDST is looking good. Still an SOUN. We can get up to 399. Get through 399 SOUN. Very quiet. Nothing really, just exploding this morning. Dow's down 80. Let's take a look at our indices real quick.
FAZ.
Mini Russell still looking like it wants to come down.
FAZ. OPRA.
Mini Nasdaq
RWN.
maybe getting ready for a potential buy. Potential buy in the mini Nasdaq up here at 150.45, 150.45. Okay, gonna watch that mini Russell up here, 150.45.
HIBS.
Still on SOUN, not doing anything, very quiet.
FAZ.
Still on DUST.
RWN. HIBS. CIP.
JDST once again, it's gonna be a slow mover, just have to hold on to JDST.
YANG. RWN. CGEN. DIP.
YANG.
LCF1. CITEU.
YANG. YANG.
like PIXY,
YANG, RWN, YANG, YANG, YANG,
I'm gonna buy a little bit of PIXY,
SCO,
taking a light position on PIXY.
WN, DIP,
Have a target up here at 324. I also have one, let's see, well, 324 is a pretty good target. Couple patterns all pointing to 324, 324.
SCO, DIP, HIBS, RWN,
All right, I'm seeing 36 up here as well. All right, let's see how we do here as we pull back. Did pull back on some lighter volume. Let's see if we can get some support and some buyers. A lot of people watch that VWAP, that purple line. We'll see if the buyers come in. Still have a light position on PIXY. Check on SOUN real quick. SOUN. Still like an SOUN, still in DUST. And still in JDST.
FAZ, FAZ, DIP, DIP, FAZ,
All right, I have a critical low here at 62 on this PIXY. Watch that 62. Looking at AAOI real quick. AAOI never came up there. I'm going to go ahead and remove that. Okay, I did get a buy on the mini NASDAQ. So buying the mini NASDAQ. All right, let's get some targets on this mini NASDAQ. Let's look at it real quick. All right, hit my entry target. Mini NASDAQ's going to bring me up to 150.82.5.
RWE. AIP. DIP.
LCFY.
RWE.
All right, folks. Well, we've carried this a little bit too long this morning. I'm going to go ahead and focus on our live trading room. Everybody in Discord. Continuing to watch JDST, still on DUST, SOUN, and PIXY. And just bought the mini NASDAQ, looking for a target up here at 150.82.5. All right, folks, that's going to wrap it up for this morning trading show. Once again, if you have any questions, plenty of YouTube videos on my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies. Until tomorrow, we'll see you then.